Want a single bar that lets you train with flat bands and tube bands, along with isometrics and Olympic plates? Well, that's what you get with the all-in-one DIY F2 bar. Basic setup is simple with our patented Chain Beast connector. Grab the F2 threaded connector and insert it through the F2 Chain Beast. Next, screw the Chain Beast and threaded connector into the F2 bar. Lastly, lock it in place with the chrome end cap. It's that simple. The Chain Beast is the primary resistance connector on the F2 bar. To train with flat bands, screw the RT hooks into the Chain Beast. Make sure not to over-tighten. Hand tighten the RT hook into the Chain Beast and secure in place with the lock nut. Tighten further with the wrench provided, then slide on your preferred flat bands. RT hooks accommodate bands up to 4 inches wide. The Chain Beast Pro has 2 connection spots, which means you have the option to simultaneously train with flat bands and tube bands for more intense workouts. Steps for connecting the F2 eye-bolt are the same as connecting the F2 RT hooks. For the first demonstration, we've left in the RT hooks while attaching the eye-bolts and tube bands. RT hooks and eye-bolts can remain on the F2 bar or removed, depending on your configuration preference. For the second demonstration, we're going to remove them. A third training option is using F2 natural rotation connectors. Hand screw the natural rotation connector into the F2 threaded connector. Once the natural rotation connector is screwed in, use the wrench to secure it in place further. You're now ready to attach the RT hook the same way you did for the Chain Beast. Training with the natural rotation connectors is similar to using the Chain Beast, but the dynamic rotation requires more muscle fiber recruitment for a more intense and functional training experience. The F2 bar is also designed so that you can use it for isometrics. You can do a quick configuration change by simply connecting the eye-bolt to the center connector and you're good to go. No need wasting time and money on another bar when you can achieve the same great isometric workout by using the F2 bar isometric configuration. And don't forget, you can also attach eye-bolts and F2 straps to the end of the F2 bar for an even wider range of isometric training. But it doesn't stop there. For those that want to do traditional free weight training, you can easily add F2 adapters and use it with Olympic plates too. With the Chain Beast removed, just slide them onto the F2 bar and tighten in place. F2 adapter bar modifiers are uniquely designed to prevent the adapters from slipping off. Compared to resistance band bars that cost more and offer less, the all-in-one F2 bar is definitely the smartest barbell investment you'll ever make for your home gym.